We're going to start with our papers. So I think everybody knows how I love using my designer series paper in the 6x6. So I have these, most of these, all of these, except for this guy right here, have 2 sheets of every single color in them. This one is Subtles, and there's 19 sheets, and I'm sorry I can't tell you what is missing in there. This is the Neutrals, 20 sheets of that. Brights, Regals, and these were last year's designs. And then this was the in color. So this one is also 20 sheets, but these were the in colors that retired last year. And these are the in colors that are still current. And I'm giving you all kinds of scraps on this one. I haven't got the scraps here, but I do have them in another place in a special box. But that one has scraps. This is the gingerbread and peppermint, and there are 29 sheets there, and those are all the designs, and you can have this as well, but lots of Christmas ones there. Then we're into 12 by 12s, so I have the flower and field, and on each of these I have written what they are. So this one has 13 full and partial sheets. So 13 full being 12 by 12. And then I have Daffodil Afternoon, and those are all the different ones there. And that's 6 full sheets and large scraps. This one is the Eden's Garden, 6 full and scraps for that one. These are the Vellum, the in color shimmer Vellum. Those are all the colors, and I have 6 full sheets and scraps of that. And 14 sheets of the In Good Taste. So that was the real, all kinds of textures on the back of that one. These ones are all new ones. These are the cats, and I did have the punch to go with that one as well. So that is, let me see what we can see. Yeah, I can't see anything else. What I should try and do is see if I can find the piece that will show you all the different ones there. This is the Beautifully Penned, and that is new. So anything that's black and white like that is perfect. This is the Bird Ballad. So I have a new one there, and those are all the different designs in it. This was one of my favorite. And then I've got some scraps too. Okay, so there's scraps there as well. So you actually get plus on that one. This was the Painted Seasons, and I have a stamp set that goes along with that one. And that was... when was this one? This one was a celebration a couple of years ago. And then these are some new and not new. So this is Blackberry Beauty, 5 full sheets and large scraps. And I just leave these all in there. This was Peaceful Place, and that is 4 full and large scraps. These are, oops, this one here is, what's the name of that one? This one is called Under the Mistletoe. So this is a couple, I was holding on to this one. I thought I might use it, but it's going to go. 8 full sheets and scraps on that one. This is the Sweet Stockings, 4 full sheets and scraps. So I loved this cat. That was my favorite cat and favorite thing out of the whole thing, as well as this guy here. There's just a piece of him right there. They just have such expressions. 4 full and large. Whimsy and Wonder, 6 full sheets and scraps of that one. That one is a designer or a specialty one. Red Velvet. I only used it for a very little card. It's a little note card where I took the tag punch and turned it into Santa's suit. So almost full, this one, 1 7/8. And then I have a new Eden's Garden, brand new. So that one is the specialty with the gold on it. I have a new of the little penguin guys. What was the name of that one? Penguin Playmates. So that was in last year's celebration. So lots of things you can cut out of that one for cool card making. And this one is the Poinsettia Place, and that one is new as well. That one has beautiful things in it. Then I have some cardstock, not too much. I have, these are full packages. This is the Pineapple Punch, the Lovely Lipstick, the Grapefruit Grove, a Purple Posy. This is a made-up one that I did myself, and this is 5 each of the in colors that retired last year. So the Purple Posy would be in there, the Rococo Rose. What else was in there? Seaside Spray, Peacock, and the Terracotta Tile. And then these were the ones that retired this year. So I have one Bumblebee, that's a full pack. I have a Magenta Madness, that's a full pack. This one here is a full pack of all of them. So you get four of each of the 5 colors that were retired last year. And then this one is all I had left. So it's almost a full package. There, you just don't get, you get 1 Cinnamon Cider only and 2 Misty Moonlight. So if you like Just Jade and Magenta and Bumblebee, this is the package for you. Okay, then after that, what I have is some bargain boxes. So anything in this box here, so this is a larger box, is under $5, including the stamp sets. So you really have to just rifle through these. So there's some punches in here. There's some embellishments in here, like what's this guy? These are sequins. More sequins. So that one, $5 and under. These are the ones that the Peaceful Poppies. These are where the scraps are, so the smaller sheets of my designer 6x6s. And this is ephemera. These are some boxes. There's some gold pizza boxes. There's Simply Elegant. So some of the designer paper where I really didn't have very many of the pieces left. So even though there's 5 full sheets there, $3 is great for that one. There's hand pens, the peach, and then I've got some glimmer paper. There's all kinds of stuff in here to look at, including some stamp sets that are $5 and under. So lots of celebration ones here. I love this one. This one is for doing invitations for really Christmas or Thanksgiving, and it's an older one now for sure, but I really enjoyed that, and it's still here. Thoughtful Blooms, Etched in Nature. Now with this one here, this was a set that was in last year's catalog, but when they went out, there was a defect on the stamps themselves. So on this one, I know that this one does not stamp very well. It's a beautiful stamp set, and what Stampin' Up! Decided to do is just discontinue it. But not all the stamps will work great on this one, so just know that. The words work fine on it though. This one was great. Sheltering Tree. I love that tree. I made it for fall. The little one for, what is that? A peacock. And just some other wood ones. And again, with wood ones, like, you know, that coffee one for $5. Or that little snowman one for $3. And I will take off the stamp from the wood if you like. It just is an extra $1 per set. Okay, not per stamp, per set. And then thinking about that, this is the bargain bin. These are all wood stamps and everything's under $3. And they're sets that are under $3. So if you like Halloween, here's a little Halloween set. That is $1. And $1 for these silhouette ones as well. So again, you just need to look through. This one is fun. That's only $2, but great for gal birthday cards. This one too. I like there's one in here. It says whether you're a good witch or a bad witch, it's all about the shoes. So, and that's only $2. And then some that are not Stampin' Up. So if you like Asian influence kind of stuff, like there's, or even the Aztec, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamps for $1. So, you know, you just have to look through these ones and find something that you like, because there are some great deals here. And I do just want to get rid of them. Okay, so I think that's everything that I have for you. I will do one more that shows some of the cards that I'm going to package up for you. So one more video to go.